The cheap car is dead. They didn't raise prices by accident. They redesigned cars to require debt. Walk into a dealership today and a basic Toyota Camry rings up at $35,000. For that money, you get cloth seats, hollow doors, plastic everywhere, and a monthly payment that follows you for 6 years. This isn't inflation. This is design. Modern economy cars now cost luxury money, but without luxury durability. And here's the part nobody wants you to realize. For $5,000, you can buy an older sedan that rides quieter, lasts longer, and feels better built than anything on a new car lot. In fact, there are 7 cars smart buyers choose instead. But first, you need to understand why modern sedans are disposable by design, why modern cars are disposable, and why older sedans win. Modern sedans are financially broken because they're no longer built to last. They're built to comply. The Camry you remember is gone, replaced by cars engineered around fuel economy rules, CVTs that trade durability for efficiency, and hybrid systems packed with batteries and sensors that don't age gracefully. These vehicles aren't designed for 300,000 miles. They're designed to survive the warranty and be replaced. That 100,000-mile restart mindset is the new normal. But there was a golden era before this, when sedans were engineered, not optimized. Iron blocks, understressed V6s and V8s, real gears instead of belts, and thick metal built for abuse. Those cars weren't cheap when new. They only became cheap because the market forgot their value. Buying one today isn't being outdated. It's rebelling against disposable design. Car number 1, Buick LeSabre, the unkillable couch. The Buick LeSabre looks like a grandpa car, and that's exactly why it survives. These were typically owned by retirees who followed maintenance schedules like religion. Under the hood sits GM's legendary 3800 Series 2 V6, known for quietly crossing 300,000 miles. It cruises at 30 miles per gallon on the highway, floats over bad roads, and parts are everywhere for pocket change. Mechanic warning: the plastic intake manifold gasket can fail, but it's a cheap, well-known fix. Luxury ride, extreme longevity. Easily under $5,000. Car number 2, Acura TSX, 2004 to 2008. The fun option. If you want engagement instead of float, the Acura TSX delivers. Honda's K24 engine is high-revving, naturally aspirated, and uses a timing chain instead of a belt. Based on the European Accord, it offers sharper steering, tighter suspension, and real driver feedback. Leather, sunroof, and premium audio were standard long before they became packages. Mechanic warning: check for AC compressor failure, known as Black Death. Reliable, fun, and still under $5,000. Car number 3, Ford Taurus, 2008 to 2009. The Volvo in disguise. This Taurus shocks people because it isn't really a Taurus. It rides on a Volvo S80-derived chassis, with solid crash safety and a planted highway feel. The Duratec V6 paired to a traditional automatic is smooth, proven, and cheap to maintain. The interior is massive, quiet, and comfortable. Avoid CVT years. Sleeper luxury and safety for around $4,000. Car number 4, Lincoln Town Car / Mercury Grand Marquis. Real luxury. This is what luxury felt like before cost-cutting. Body-on-frame construction means these cars absorb abuse that would total modern sedans. The 4.6-liter modular V8 is famous for half-million-mile lifespans in taxis and police fleets. Ride quality is pure calm. Mechanic warning: factory air suspension can fail, but a simple coil spring swap solves it forever. Car number 5, Toyota Avalon, the Camry you should buy. The Avalon exposes the Camry illusion. It shares Toyota DNA but gets the better treatment: more sound deadening, a wider stance, and a smoother ride. The 2GR-V6 delivers effortless power without stress, and highway comfort is on another level. Mechanic warning: pre-2010 models need the updated VVTi oil line. Same reliability, better execution. Car number 6, Pontiac Vibe, Toyota without the tax. The Pontiac Vibe is secretly a Toyota Matrix wearing GM badges. Same engine, same reliability, minus the Toyota price premium. It's practical, simple, and shockingly durable. One bonus insight: some early models have odometer display failures, not mileage issues. Ultimate cheap utility for people who think ahead. Number 1 pick, Lexus ES 330. The Camry killer. This is the knockout punch. The Lexus ES 330 was built during Lexus's over-engineering peak, when silence, smoothness, and longevity mattered more than margins. The 3.3-liter V6 is buttery, understressed, and known for absurd mileage when maintained. Doors close like a vault. The cabin ages slowly. Yes, it uses a timing belt, but that's a predictable, affordable trade-off for bulletproof reliability. A $5,000 ES330 feels richer than a $5,000 Camry ever will, and depreciates slower. Final thoughts: you don't need to be rich to drive well. You need to be informed. Stop buying plastic wrapped in payments. The market is quietly dumping better cars for pennies, and smart buyers are taking advantage.